Welcome to PBIVizEdit tool. If you want to use bar chart with color formatting based on percentage, you need to click on Modify Visual. If you are a first time user, you need to register with us by clicking this blue link. After registration, you need to put your email ID, your password, then login. After logging, you will reach on this page. Here you need to click on Library. Go to the relevant visual which you want to import. Now you are on Visual Editor screen. To reach on this page, there is an alternative way. For that, you need to go on visual page. On the second time, when you click on modify visual after login, the system will automatically take you to the visual editor page. Once you log in, the editor screen opens up. Let me give you a very quick overview the way it organized. The left panel deals with all the chart options and data fields, and the middle panel is deal with all the formatting option for your visual, and the right panel is where you select your data as well as see the rendering of your visual. One thing to notice, the data used here is a sample data, but when you export the visual, the data will be used what you have in Power BI. So if you connecting to a SQL database or an Excel file or any other data source, you would see that this sample data will not be associated with the exported visual. So this is just for demonstration purpose or looking at how the visual looks like. So according to percentage, we put color. For that, we need to create some rule set for percentage. So for that, we have to go in plot, and here we need to click on this F button and go to create rule set, and then put your conditions like this. When data is less than value 0.30 or is less than 0.70 or is greater than value 0.70, and select your colors from here or custom color as you like, and then apply and OK. On the upper section of visual editor, here you have multiple visual options. If you have multiple one, from here you can export your visual. We have some additional settings as well and documentation for your reference. For users who wants to use it right away, we have already created a visual for you. All you need to do is go to export visual, fill all these data fields. Like if you want to change name, you can change it from here or you can leave it as it is. You put your name here, your email ID, and one important thing, change the GUID by clicking this refresh button. This is important because this GUID has to be unique for your visual. So when you are using this visual in your Power BI dashboard, this ID has to be unique. It should not have a conflict with any other GUID from the marketplace or any of the visual you might used before. If you are doing an update to the visual and this is not your first time, we recommend keeping the GUID same because that will help with update. Else, if you are not updating and this is your very first download, please click on this refresh button and create a new GUID for your visual. This will ensure that there is no conflict with any other marketplace visual. In the field section, we have pre-selected some important options for you, but you can select as per your need within each option. Same with the format, we have selected some important options for you. You can change it as per your need within these options. Like if you want to show axis line or you don't want some color for your axis, just uncheck it from here, or if you want then just check it from here like this. In plot also, all the options you selected here will be available to you in Power BI dashboard. All of these options are should be enough for your visual. Otherwise, if you are opting to a single time download, I would recommend you to choose all options because you will not get second chance after you pay and download. So we recommend tick all the options, those are here. If you are on a subscription plan, however, we recommend selecting the options those are necessary for you. This will help avoid cluttered in your Power BI visual dashboard. If you need another visual, you can always come back and select additional options or unselect them. Once we are ready and we are satisfied with all the changes, we recommend you to export the free visual, try it out, and when you are happy, you can go and make a purchase by clicking pay and export. And there is a subscription option as well. So now if I am going to click on export free visual, it will take a minute or two depending upon how busy is the server. As you can see here, visual has been downloaded successfully. Let's go to Power BI and explore our visual. Now to import our visual, we need to click on these three dots and import visual from a file. Import. Go to the relevant folder where we have downloaded our visual. Open it. As you can see here, this little tiny icon, just click it and we have our visual. Now I'm going to fill these data fields. In x-axis I am putting country or region. In y-axis I am putting generosity. In label I am putting overall rank. Now let's sort it a little bit. I am sorting it country and this is fine for me. Now let's do some more formatting. For the chart I am increasing the font size. You can also select font family, font color. In legend you can give title to the legend, color for that title, and then font family for that. All of these options for legend are available to you. In accesses, axis line is available to you. If you don't want axis line, just off it or on it from here. Arrange slider for you, color for the line, position for axis line, title color, title text. If you want some other text, just put here some other text, and then text size, alignment of that title, axis range, axis upper bound, lower bound, tick position, tick length. All of these options are available to you. If you want grid line, just on it from here. Same with the y-axis, we have all these options. You can customize them as per your need within these options. Now let's move to plot. If you want some other color for your columns, you just can click here and have your color. Opacity for bar, width, border width, label for that, and then placement of that label, and then font size for that label. All of these options are available to you. You can also customize general setting as well. From here you can set your canvas setting, custom title if you want, just put here, then format the title within these options. Effects if you want, like if you want some other color background, just select from here, and then transparency for that color background. Border for your visual. If you want some shadow for your visual, just on it from here, and the formatting option also, but I don't want, so I am just putting it off. So like this, all these options are available to you as well. Like this, I hope you're able to create some powerful insight using this bar chart with color formatting based on percentage. And do let us know if you are facing any issues by contacting us through the email provided on our website. Thank you so much.